13. Same ball. 13 second shot. 12, 11, 10. Reset. Score natin 31-24. 31 yan, 31. Anak, 31 yan, 31. Number 4. Roman, bala again. Recover on Nazareno. Shot clock 14 seconds. Nagin. And a rebound now. Number 36, Sanchez on the point. Lucky bounce. Timeout. Zigzagling. Good. Recover for the team. Pulong maste. Alvarado. Whistle blow. First throw was negative on. Okay, last throw on number 5. Pag pumasok may sub tayo, rep. Okay, reserve lang tayo, Mr. Morales. Kick out. Powers for grip. Reserve lang. Meron tayong dito. Reserve low. Good. Rebound for the Pulumbaste. Napitawan pa rito. Here comes number 12. Paul. Rejected outlet pass. Hindi tumakbo si Sanchez. Pass to number 29, back to number 12. 14 seconds on the shot clock, Nazareno. Down to 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Shot clock reset. Recover now for the team. Pulumbaste. Outlet to Ponyo. Morales in control. Back pedal setting up the point. Takes the screen. Shot clock 12, 11, 10. Reset. And a rebound now for the team. Pulumbaste. Outlet dito. Alvarado. Wala. Rebound. Kick out. Arcelius. Miss. Whistle blow. Unang tira wala. 5 and pumasok may sub tayo, rep. Sub. With number 27, Nazareno. Blow fake. Morales number 3. Inside pass. Shot clock 14. Shot clock reset. And a recover now for the team red. Here comes now on number 23, Sanchez. For the Bills, bitawan nga lang. Here comes now for the comeback. Outlet. Morales. Big guy. Milan. Basket. The small bat there. Ball. 33-27. Alvarado. Pull up. Short. Rebound on Morales. We so blow. That was